Oh, hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. In this video, I would like to talk about an exciting IPO that is coming in next few days. Okay, the name of the company is iFIT. The symbol is iFIT Fitness. So let me get into the details. Okay, so iFIT Health and Fitness, which sells connected home fitness equipment and monthly class subscriptions, announced terms for the IPO Monday. Okay, this is, you have to listen to, guys. This is one of the biggest competitor for Peloton. Okay, Apple Fitness, Amazon Fitness, they're all joke. Okay, they are not really fitness companies, in my view. So this is the real fitness company actually that actually sells a lot of gym equipment in different categories of fitness and also live classes, studio classes. I own some of their equipment and I'm also iFIT member, and I also own Peloton stock from IPO, and I recently sold Peloton stock at $120 like few months back, and I'm ready to buy Peloton stock, and I'm potentially ready to invest in iFIT if I get allotted stocks. This is IPO is available for TD Ameritrade in TD Ameritrade, not available in Robinhood, and it might be available in other brokerage firms. So I would not buy this in market if it pumps up, like gets pumped up to 20-30% for multiple reasons. Okay, so the reason is this this is being a Peloton competitor. There is a high chance that on the day of opening it might go up, but and also is a hyper growth company compared to 2019, 2020, 2021. They had 110% growth, which is close to $1.7 billion revenue. Okay, we'll get into the details more. So HIIT is considered a more affordable alternative to Peloton. Okay, so the company provides equipment like treadmills, bikes, and elliptical machines under the brand names iFIT, Nordic Track, Proform, and Free Motion. They also bought a new recently, just like 2-3 months back, a women-owned sweat company, which basically offers a lot of classes. So that is close to $300 million. Okay, they spent $300 million on buying that company, which has that service itself has close to 450,000 paying subscribers for the subscription. Okay, so this is a Logan based, Utah based company. So they want to raise $600 million by offering 30 million shares at a price point between $18 and 21 cents. Okay, this is not final price. So the price might actually end up in $15 or $18. We don't know yet. So the range current now is $18 and 21 cents. Okay, so if you take the midpoint of the range between then the IPO, the potential company's market value will be $6.4 billion when it goes to IPO. Okay, so $6.4 billion, an IPO with $1.7 billion revenue, you have to decide whether you want to invest or not. Okay, so let's get into the details. Okay, so part of the proceedings that they get from IPO, they want to use general purpose, and also the CEO is getting a $35 million bonus after going to IPO. Okay, and CEO owns most of the voting power, which is close to 86%. So those are the few things I did not like. The one person having such a voting power and taking a huge bonus IPO and also controlling that. Okay, so I have gone through the security filings in detail, which is, as you guys know, hundreds of pages, and then it has a lot of content. Okay, so a lot of these board members in this company also invested in Peloton. That is interesting. And also they also invested in restoration hardware. If you know or not, that is a very hyper growth, fancy furniture company that share stock has been going up for the last couple of years like crazy. Okay, so restoration hardware as well as Peloton. If you go and look at the details of the board members of the executives of this company. Okay, so 2021 has been exciting year for iFIT, and they generated close to $1.7 billion revenue plus huge loss. Okay, so they say from their security filings, okay, so iFIT is number one provider large fitness equipment in US, selling under brands of iFIT, Nordic Track, Proform, Free Motion. Okay, so in 2021 they sold close to 10 million fitness products, and merchandising gross merchandise value at $2.8 billion. The company delivers its patented interactive experiences of range of fitness classes. They have fitness classes in treadmills and rowings, bikes, and climbers, strength equipment, fitness mirrors. Okay, so they have a Proform View Fitness, which is competition with Mirror company. And if you look at Proform View versus Mirror, you'll get reviews. There are a lot of subscriptions for that, also sales. Okay, it is $1,500. So iFIT community members are total 6.1 million total members, and 1.5 million total fitness members, with members in 120 countries. Okay, this is not just US company, they are spread all over the world in 120 countries. So this is a global company. So iFIT Health and Fitness is founded in 1977. So if you compare with Peloton and this company, Peloton is pretty brand company, new, okay, 2012, and went up like crazy rapidly with a great product, and then great executive team members, great idea. And the only reason they are so successful is when Peloton went IPO, it was trading like $15-20. Nobody was interested to buy the stock. Okay, so the company revenues was not even doing good, so they're losing so much money. But once COVID turned, the stock went up like crazy. Okay, it's like $25 or $30 billion company now. It touched almost $125, and then it's came back close to 30% down, 85 or $90. But Peloton, think of Peloton is more like an Apple of fitness. This is more like an Android of fitness. Okay, let me tell you why. So they have a lot of brands. Okay, for example, Nordic Track is premium. A lot of their treadmills and bikes, they go around $2,000 to $2,500, $3,000, very comparable to Peloton. So, and they also have Proform. Okay, Nordic Track makes 55% of the revenue. So Proform is very decent quality equipment. You can buy from $400 to like $2,000. You can buy in Walmart, Costco, Target, and everywhere, Sam's Club, everywhere. There's like commercial at home used equipment. Then coming to Free Motion, which is they sell $4,000 to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 machines. Very commercial for gyms and for very commercial purposes. Okay, so very very high quality equipment. So they captured market in every angle in a lot of countries, and they already grown up because of the COVID and other things going on. 2021, I think this is one of the best year, and I doubt if they can make another 110% growth this year, but I might be wrong. Okay, so iFIT, as I said, iFIT Fitness Health has actually founded in 1977, booked $1.7 billion in last 12 months, end of May 2021. So under the price during week of October 4th is when it's planning to go to public. Okay, so let us compare recently. Apart from Peloton, there are two other companies that went in public related to same fitness category. One is Exponential Fitness, the symbol is XPOF. The other one is F45 Training Holdings, FXLV. Both, they just stayed below in their IPO prices. They did not do good, and I don't think they were anywhere close to iFIT or Peloton. Okay, so not a good comparison, but I'm just telling you. So And let's compare between the Peloton classes and then iFIT classes. Okay, so what Peloton classes compare iFIT classes, the price range for Peloton. In iFIT, an individual pays $15 a month fitness iFIT on-demand content, all the classes they can take, or a $39 per month for a family of 5. Okay, so that is for me a reasonable price. Peloton is a digital membership for individual costs like $12.99, which is similar to what Amazon, Hello Fitness, and other Apple Fitness, but they don't give access to classes via Peloton bike or tread. Okay, all access membership is with Peloton is $39 a month for household. It gives you unlimited interactive classes using Peloton bike or tread. So certainly a lot cheaper. Okay, bikes I won't say they are cheaper. You can get Peloton bike for $1,500. The similar quality is like $1,500 or $2,000 in Nordic Track. So but this is long term you're paying more on classes rather than the equipment itself. Okay, this couple of months we will pay. Okay, so let's look at some of the S1 filings and also look at what kind of equipment they have and see why I'm saying this is the main competitor for Peloton. Okay, this is what how an iFIT member feels. This is from SEC filings from iFIT IPO filings. Okay, so with more than 6.1 million members, our community is actively engaged with achieving a variety of health fitness goals. Okay, today I just finished a Kilimanjaro series with fit trainer Jock Marian. So this is what I like about this company is they actually our content, right? So 17,000 workouts including live, global, studio, and on-demand classes. Peloton classes are mostly studio classes. Okay, so what I like about iFIT classes is their trainers actually takes you into lakes, rivers, mountains, and actually studios, right? So actually beaches, oceans, you can name it. So they actually takes real places, and those classes I really like those. Okay, so 6.1 million members, 1.5 million interactive fitness subscribers. Okay, so 120 countries, 9 plus fitness modalities, and 10.1 million interactive fitness products sold. And they actually merchandise total sales is $2.8 billion. Everything they can't count as a revenue. So their total calculated revenue for 2021 is 1.7 billion total. Okay, so this is the summary from S1 filings, but I would like to also show what their platform and their other things are. Okay, so our content is developed and led by a team of 180 world-class trainers in more than 60 categories, including running, cycling, high-intensity interval training known as HIIT, strength, bootcamp, yoga, as well as new categories including mindfulness, nutrition, active recovery. Our recent acquisition of SFET also gives our members access to additional differentiated content over 5,000 unique workouts led by instructors who are globally recognized top female fitness icons. Okay, so during 2021 we had streamed 142 million live sessions. Okay, again this is about the summary. As you can see here, their brands perform is around 27%. This is where the equipment sell almost every retail store, and Nordic Track is 53%. This is like premium equipment similar to same quality as Peloton in my view. Free Motion is a very commercial gyms 1%, so this is where they can grow. And iFIT memberships is actually is 13%. So if you look at this income stream, revenue stream, this is literally 90% of the revenue coming from fitness equipment. Okay, only 13% is coming from actually subscriptions. So and then this is a wider, which is actually strength equipment. This is also fitness equipment. So this is what the summary I want to give you. Okay, so if you look at iFIT, so this is how an interface looks like. Your summary of workouts and library and dashboards, community, the one we are following, and competitions. Okay, so our brands. So this is summary of iFIT brands. Okay, so this is, as I told already, Nordic Track is the most money making among their brands. Perform is being sold everywhere. Wider is fitness equipment. I own some other wider equipment as well. And Free Motion is the commercial fitness that gets sold in gyms and other places. And Fitness Adventures they created recently. And Sweat is female oriented fitness classes. And actually the owner, and they bought this company just recently, just for almost $300 million. Okay, so let's get into Nordic Track. So this is how a Nordic Track
Nordic
looks like.
Track, the results you want start here.
Let's go on a journey through Antarctica, through Monument Valley,
through the Balkans,
in Thailand,
in Morocco.
The best treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, rowers, and state-of-the-art strength equipment take you further. Nordic Track connects you to a personal trainer in your home. Nordic Track, the home.
Okay, so you got the idea, and very similar equipment and very high quality equipment they sell. And this is also not cheap. This is close to $2,000 equipment begins with. Okay, so then coming back to Free Motion, where I told you like close to $5,000 the commercial sales. This is where I think they'll grow in next couple of years. So this is similar to, I can see a lot of this equipment in home commercial gym fitness. They carry with whole dual cable cross with a lot of resistance, lot of exercises you can do, part of Free Motion again. This is not really, this is very expensive to buy at home, but mostly gyms, commercial gyms. So this is another one. Perform, a lot of rowers, bikes, treadmills, and fitness mirror view, which is actually competing with mirror, ellipticals, and rowers. So I own some of this equipment. I own subscription for iFIT, so I'm pretty happy with this so far yet. So, and a lot of the difference is if you buy some of this equipment like retail stores, you'll get 1 year iFIT membership, which is close to $180 value. And if you buy online here, they almost get 3 year iFIT family membership. Okay, so as I said, iFIT Health and Fitness acquires Sweat for $300 million. This just in July this year. Okay, so I went through detailed article, very good comparison between Peloton and Nordic Track. The summary is, as I said exactly, they are very comparable. And then I think both companies can compete and grow in my view. Okay, but as I said, 2021 has been the 2021 has been the best years so far for indoor fitness equipment, and I'm not sure if they can make same 110% growth next couple of years. Okay, this is what I think about iFIT company and their growth and their potential. Okay, so the risks, as I said, they are in the peak growth. That's the reason why they are going to public. Okay, but this is really, in my view, they sell best fitness equipment, and then $101.7 billion revenue with $6 billion valuation. That is what you have to decide. Okay, so I will apply through TD Ameritrade. If I don't get stocks, I'm not going to buy the stock on the first day. I will wait for it. After a week, we will see the real price, and that's when I think about buying it. Okay, so hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're first time here. Please click the like button, and see you on my next video. Thank you.